Glycomics itself is a part of glycobiology, and it is aiming to analyze the sugar structures in living organisms. And all kinds of sugar structures, like free sugars or bound to proteins and so forth. And analytical glycomics has the task to analyze those, to really reveal their real structures and binding specificities and so forth. Capillary electrophoresis has been playing a very important role in the analysis of sugar-based structures, like DNA sequencing. DNA is practically a sugar because it's a sugar-based chain, and it's the same separation what we have right now for the carbohydrates as well. So utilizing our knowledge from DNA sequencing and applying it for a high throughput glycan analysis, we can get very, very high efficiency and high resolution separation of these important glycans. And if we connect it to mass spectrometry, we get a lot of structural information as well. Current main applications, I would say, like twofold. One is the biopharmaceutical industry, and the other one is the biomedical field. The biopharmaceutical industry mostly using analytical glycomics because of the new protein therapeutics, which are mostly glycosylated, like the monoclonal antibody drugs, which are like very, very fashionable these days, and a lot of them are in the pipeline. It's very important that their glycosylation is analyzed correctly. On the biomedical field is mostly glycobiomarkers. A lot of proteins which were discovered earlier as biomarkers, they are biomarkers but with the given glycoforms only. So it's very important to understand that part as well. Pittcon is, in my view, it's a very important meeting for the year. Most companies consider Pittcon for their launch, for the product launch, and which is a very important event for most of those companies, and that's the reason why the exhibition part is so important. And on the other hand, it's always a very important tour for me to go through all the booths to see what's new. And what they offer actually this year is not the same thing as you check online. Yeah, you check online, you cannot really touch the thing, but here you can grab it, you can touch it, you can talk to the people there at the booth. So it's very, very important for me to be here in that extent and really get the real thing.